So I had the cable replaced on my winch. My winch cable replaced on my ATV, I guess I should say, recently when it was in the shop. And I don't know what they did. I imagine that the cable was all coiled up in a package before they put it on the ATV. I'm not sure what they did because we actually used the winch. Hi. The next time we came into the cabin because we got stuck in a mud hole and the cable wouldn't come out properly, and just had no end of difficulties with it. So I ended up just kind of wrapping up on the front of the ATV when I was done, and now we got to fix it. So short video fixing the winch cable. Here we go. Yeah, that was making some weird noises there, wasn't it? But I got it all the way out, so I'm going to try and bring it in. I'm going to see if Alicia will help me with this part. What did I do? Okay. So Alicia's got her bug jacket on, and she's ready to roll here. Okay, we'll get you set up. Okay, what are you going to do?
I'm going to press the in button.
Okay, good. I forgot to switch it off free wheel. Sound whenever I pull on it. if you remember a few videos ago and I was talking about my problem with that bolt and the threads going, same thing was happening to this bolt. I just didn't realize it at the time. So yeah, my temporary solution for now is to put this one on as much as I can. And every time I get in or out, I check it again. I do it up a little bit. Anyway, this weekend I should be able to finish the parts I need, getting the parts I need for my pintle hitch. Oh, I know I'm going to catch a lot of flack over that one. So I've hardly done anything. That tiny little bit of work and I'm sweating like crazy. Yeah, this week's just going to be so hot. Here, I'll put the temperatures up here for a minute. Up here. So you can see. It's like one of those weeks where I can't really do anything other than sit in front of a fan all week. I was looking at one of those portable AC units. Little things, they look like little dehumidifiers that sit right on the floor. And they've got an exhaust going out a window. On Amazon, 14,000 BTU unit for $700 Canadian plus tax, no shipping. Is it worth it? I don't know. It says it'll do up to a 550 square foot room. Should be enough here with the insulation that I have, or that I'm going to have. Anyway, if anybody knows, I'm sure somebody's going to know what that sound that my ATV was making means. Just let me know in the comments below. You know, that's so very typical, right? You go to a mechanic and they fix something and then something else isn't working, right? So strange. Anyway, yeah, let me know in the comments below if you know what that sound means from my winch. I'm sure it's going to be a busted winch or something like that. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope to do lots of little small projects and film them while I'm doing them. One of the things I want to do is a little charging station for charging things like cell phones, iPad, drone battery, you know, etc., etc. And I'm going to use some of this pine I've got here. It'll be a little difficult because I don't have my table saw here. And I'd love to bring my table saw, just not sure where it's going to go. It's too heavy to move around. Like my chop saw, I just kind of carry it wherever I need it, but that table saw, you don't do that. In fact, I put it on casters just so I could move it around my shop back in the city. But yeah, I'm not sure what to do about that here. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, subscribe and stuff. Leave a comment. Click the like thingy doodle. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.